Hello everyone. Today we have with us Mr. Dikshit Bajaj. He is the treasurer and founder of Waterproofers Association of India, and also he is the director of Radco Group. Hello sir.
Hi.
What is the USP of Radco Group?
First of all, for Radco Group, we formed it in the year 2000, and it's been 24 years of our journey that we've been serving the entire construction fraternity, starting right from the residential villas and commercial complexes, hospitals, and all sorts of projects we have been taking care of. And the most important thing, the most important aspect, I would say, what we take care of is that we give the clients the tailored solution. So by tailored solution, I mean there may be a difference between the quantum of the area, the nature of the work, the usage of the site which has to be taken care of. So depending on all those things, we suggest the client the kind of treatment which has to be implemented on the site. I mean, giving you an example that, for areas like 2000, 2500 square feet, the product is different. For areas like 5000 square feet, it's a different criteria. And for 10,000 and above, so the product is two component PUs. So we suggest the product accordingly and we give them the right and optimum solutions. The way they have to treat the surface, we actually analyze the thing that how exactly are they going to use the surface, for what duration the structure has been built over. Accordingly, we suggest them the product, and the most important thing is the application technology. So if you talk about a robustic product also, but it ends up into a failure if the application strategy is not that right thing. So surface preparation is the most important criteria. So we take care of all these aspects.
टॉकिंग अबाउट वाटरप्रूफर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया, ये जो आप लोगों के इनिशिएटिव से स्टार्ट हुई है, क्या विजन था इसके पीछे?
So the most important agenda behind formation of this association was कि वाटरप्रूफिंग सेगमेंट जो है, अगर आप देखें पूरी कंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रेटर्निटी में, विच अकाउंट्स फॉर नॉट मोर देन 1% ऑफ द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, दैट इट वाज नॉट गिवन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ रेलेवेंस. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वाज कि जैसा आता था करके किसी ने कुछ स्पेसिफिकेशंस कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके पुराने तरीके से दे दिया, तो उन्हीं चीज़ों को इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया जाता था. सो व्हाट वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इज़ वी वांटेड कि वी शुड हैव एन एसोसिएशन. आप किसी भी ट्रेड की बात करें तो हर एक की एसोसिएशन होती है. सो वी 3 or 4 of us, we conceptualize this Waterproofers Association of India, considering that we'll be educating the entire construction fraternity, starting right from the architects, consultants, the civil contractors and the end users, the relevance of waterproofing, the right cost of waterproofing and the right way to do that. It's not that if you say any painter or a mason can do a waterproofing, so that's not the case. So you're spending, say, if I talk about 1% of the total cost, so eventually you're spending maybe say 0.5% of that cost. You're not eliminating the entire thing. But yes, if you're doing it in a right way, you may end up doing a very good job. Right? So rather than spending 0.5%, we'll always advise you to spend that 0.8, 0.9%. So that's hardly going to be an additional expense if you talk about the total cost of construction. So that was the reason we formed this association, and now we are conducting regular seminars, conferences as this one also. This is the first ever National Waterproofers Conference we've organized, and thank God, we've been, I would say, we've been impressed. The kind of response that we've got from the industry, from the manufacturers, from the government departments and the architects, consultants, it has been tremendous.
Thank you sir, thank you so much.